Welcome dear student. In last session we had learned that solution of equation we can get, or solving equation we can solve by two method. That is, solution we will get by two method. In that the first one is balancing method, which we had already done in the previous session, balancing method. Okay. And the second one is we had done regarding transposing method. Now in this session we are going to learn what is transposing method. Transposing transpose spell means घुमाना, यहाँ से वहाँ ले जाना. ठीक है. Now let us understood this by one example. Let me give you one example. For example, 3p plus 5 is equal to 20. 3p plus 5 is equal to 20. This type of example we had already done, but we had done it by first method, that is balancing method. Now if we will do by transposing method, transposing means to transport this from here to here. Now in this, let us see, here it is equal to का साइन है और दो साइड है इधर उधर. अब ये 3 को पहले हमें ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है इस तरफ, तो 3 को जब हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे देन इट विल बिकम 3p इज इक्वल टू 20 माइनस 5. अगर ये साइड चेंज करता है तो उसका साइन भी चेंज होगा. आई रिपीट, इफ इट विल चेंज द साइड, इट साइन विल ऑल्सो चेंज. अब साइन कैसे चेंज होगा, देखो, अगर वो प्लस है देन इट विल बिकम माइनस, अगर वो माइनस है देन इट विल बिकम प्लस, अगर वो मल्टीप्लाई है देन इट विल बिकम डिवाइड, और अगर वो डिवाइड है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आके मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है. तो इन ट्रांसपोजिंग मेथड ये हमें खास ध्यान रखना है कि जब ट्रांसपोज होता है, जब इधर से इधर साइड चेंज करता है, तो अगर वो प्लस है, इफ इट साइन इज प्लस देन इट विल बिकम माइनस, अगर वो माइनस है तो वो हो जाएगा प्लस, अगर वो नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई है तो यहाँ पे आके हो जाएगा डिवाइड, और अगर वो डिवाइड है तो यहाँ पे आके हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. सो हियर इट इज प्लस, सो यहाँ पे आएगा तो दैट विल बी माइनस, तो इज इक्वल टू 3p इज इक्वल टू 15. इम्प्लाइज दैट अब अब 3p इज इक्वल टू 15, ये 3 इधर इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई है तो यहाँ पे आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 3p अपॉन 3, और ये हो जाएगा p इज इक्वल टू 5. यहाँ पे प्लस था तो माइनस हुआ, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई था तो क्या हो गया, मल्टीप्लाई था तो यहाँ पे हो गया डिवाइड, विच इज इक्वल टू 5. नाउ इन दिस, if some more equation is there, then we have to first simplify the equation and then we need to do it. Now let us see one more example of that type also, that first how to we can simplify and then we can do. For example, 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. Now here we can do, first we need to simplify it. So to simplify this, first 4 into m which is equal to 4m plus 4 into 3 which is equal to 12 is equal to 18. 4 into 3 which is equal to 12 which is equal to 18. Now we need to do it. So four m is equal to 18 minus 12. We imply that 4m is equal to 18 minus 12 is 6. Now we will do here m is equal to 6 upon 4. We imply that m is equal to, ये दोनों कट जाएंगे, 2 the 3 and 2, so it will be 3 upon 2. So we will get result m is equal to 3 upon 2. So in this way we can do this equation, or we can say solve this equation. Now let us see exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3, let us begin from question number 1. Exercise 4.3, and let us begin from क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ए, here it is given that solve the following equation where 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So 2y will remain as it is, this will transpose to this and it will become 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So it will become 2y is equal to, here it will 2, 37 minus 5, 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is 32 upon 2. Now 2y is equal to 16. We can say that now y is equal to, here y is multiplied, so here it will become divide, y is equal to divide by 2, and so we can say that y is equal to 8. So here the answer is y is equal to 8. Now let us see question number C. In question number C it is given a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. A upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now first this 3 will go here, then it will be a upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 into 5. Here it is divide. So when we carry it to this one, it will become multiply, and so a is equal to minus 5. So the answer is a is equal to minus 5. Now let us do question number F. In question number F it is given 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Now this we can say that 5 by 2x means it will be 5x is equal to, this 2 will be go here, then it will be, it is divide here, then it will be multiply here. So we can say that this and this will cut, then it will be 2. So we imply that 5x is equal to 25 by 2. 5x is equal to 25 by 2. In the same way now x is equal to 25 upon 5 into 2. So we imply that x is equal to 5 will cut. So here it is 5 multiplied, so here it is divide. So it will be 5 upon 2. And so the answer is, we can say that x is equal to 5 upon 2. Now let us see question number I. In question number I, it is given that 3l upon 2, same it is 3l upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. 3l upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. So 3l is equal to 2 upon 3 into 2. 3l is equal to 4 upon 3. Now again l is equal to, here it is multiplied, so here it will be divide, 3 into 3. L is equal to 4 upon 9. So we can say that L is equal to 4 upon 9. So in this way you can solve all the questions. Now let us do question number 2. In question number 2, let us do the first one. First one is given here, 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now first we need to simplify it, then when we simplify it, it will become 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. Now 2x plus 8, so 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. Now 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. So x is equal to 4 upon 2. X is equal to 2. So first 2 into 2 upon 2 into x plus 4. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. So 2 is equal to 12 minus 8. 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 upon 2, which we implied that x is equal to 2. Now in this let us do the next one, that is here let us see the b1, or you can say let us do the d1. Here in d1 it is written minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. So this will become minus 4 into 2, so minus 8 minus 4 into x, so minus 4x, which is equal to 2. Now this minus 8 will move toward this side, so it will become minus 4x is equal to 8 plus 8 minus 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. 16 minus 4, so x is equal to minus 4. Now let us do question number 3. In question number 3, let's begin from A. Here it is given 4 is equal to 5 in bracket p minus 2. 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So first we need to solve it. So it will be 5p minus 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So we imply that now this 10 will come here, then it will be 4 plus 10, which is equal to 5p. So we implied that 4 plus 10, that is 14, is equal to 5p. Now when we change the side, it will become 5p, which is equal to 14. So we can say that p is equal to 14. This p is multiply here. When it goes here, it will become divide. So p is equal to 14 upon 5. Let us do question number C. C, it is given that 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 2. We imply that 16 is equal to, first when we solve it, then it will be 3 plus 3t plus 12. Now here it will be 16, 4 plus 16, that will be equal to 16 plus 3t. Now here it will be 16 minus 16 is equal to 3t. So we can say that it is, it will be 4 to the 3t, and here it is 3 to the 6. So here 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 16 minus 10, then it will be 16 minus 10 is 6 is equal to 3t. So we implied that 3t is equal to 6. T is equal to 6 upon 3. T is equal to 2. Now we can say that here 3 is equal to 2. So we can get that here t is equal to 2, then the equation is right. Now here question number 4, we are not going to do question number 4, that is construct 3 equations starting x is equal to 2, means where x is equal to 2 we need to do the equation that we don't know. So here we end our exercise 4.3. The remaining questions of exercise 4.3 will be your homework. Thank you.